Hey everyone, so by request I'm going to show you how to graph using a Google spreadsheet. Google spreadsheets are an online spreadsheet program like Excel. It's free, you just need to make a Google account, but it's well worth it, and this is one way to use it if you don't have access to something like Excel. So to make a graph here I put in all the data, so I have time in half-minute increments. I have my temperature of the PDB when it was warming up, the temperature of the water when the PDB was warming up, temperature of the PDB when it was cooling, and the temperature of the water when the PDB was cooling. So I'm going to come up here and click Insert Chart. And here I have my chart editor. First I'm going to do is I'm going to get data range. So first column I want is this column from A1 to A15. Then I'm going to add another range. So I'm going to do the whole B column, add another range, the whole C column, add another range, D column, and then add my last one and hit OK. So now I want to pick the right chart. I have my row 1 is the headers, those are the words up there. I'm going to select charts. I want this to be a scatter. I'm going to select this. And now I have my lines. Here I can go to customize. Chart title is going to be heating and cooling of PDB. I want my legend on the right. Font's fine. Horizontal axis. I'm going to write this is time in minutes. And then going to go down to, let's see, left vertical, and that title is going to be temperature in degrees Celsius. Alright, so once you get this far and you've inserted it into here, you can move it around wherever works for you. Now, I know this isn't connecting the lines right now, but if you switch it to a line graph, so I right-clicked on the chart, and I can do change chart and do a line chart. Now see, it changes it to the lines we want to see, which is great, but unfortunately it gives us time is plotted also. So it's okay to just keep the chart as a scatter chart. When you print it out, you can use a marker or crayon or pen, connect the lines, that's fine. But this does show you what you want to see. You see a step up or a step down, and then a step up from the blue. So this is good. And we got our titles on everything, our keys, so we are good. And now if you want to print, you just click print. You can do selection, so whatever you clicked on. So if you clicked on the graph, so I click on the graph here, and then I can go to print. If I do selection, it's going to just print my graph. And then since you've already typed in your data here, if you just copy this, you can add some lines to it, and then you can copy and paste that into your Word document and you don't have to retype it. So that is how we do this in Google Spreadsheet.